Our traditional Harissa. Let me break down the recipe. The skinless wheat, which is this. The meat, veal. And we mix a bit of chicken to lighten it up. Generally, the Armenian way is to only use veal or lamb. But now, to lighten it up, I add chicken breast or chicken meat. An onion, some salt, black pepper, and cumin. This is a bay leaf. When the meat is being cooked, we'll add it to the pot to lighten the taste and the smell of the meat. Now that we're going to start, we'll start by wetting the wheat, such that when the meat is being cooked, this will be ready at the same time. Normally, this is done overnight, but our time right now is short, which is why we're going to wet it now. Do you want the water to cover up till the top? The water needs to fully cover the wheat. The wheat will absorb all the water, and we'll put this aside. In the meantime, we need to cook, cut, and prepare the meat. We'll start by cutting up the chicken, to about a size of 2 centimeters. This is one of our traditional meals that is prepared on days of celebration, such as weddings. This is the veal meat, which is the same size. With a little bit of some onion, we're going to first boil the meat, and then skim off the foam, and then leave that and add the spices and salt. So it looks like it's 2 cups of chicken and 1 cup of veal. So fill the water up top. Now we can take this to the oven and start. Add the bay leaves, 1 or 2. Turn that one off. Take it to the other side. We let the meat cook in the pot with the water. We added the spices, salt, black pepper, and it cooked until it became soft, which took about an hour. In the meantime, the skinless wheat has absorbed the water. Now that it is wet, we are going to start. The meat has cooled, and we are going to pull the meat apart so we can mix it into the wheat. And then add the minced onion and spices with the chicken broth and cook it. Let's start by pulling this meat and spend our time doing such. This is going to still cook with the wheat. Then you will hit the meat, or you will use a machine. It'll look like a stringy-like texture. Our traditional harissa is cooked in this manner in about 30 minutes, God willing. Now that the meat is ready, we're going to start the process of crushing the onion. Then we will put it in the wheat, add the water, and then cook it. And this is me putting the salt, a dash of cumin, a little bit of black pepper, and with your hand you will nicely squeeze it and mix it with the meat. The meat has really separated and taken in the salt and spices. Now we are going to put it into the pan with the wheat that has absorbed the water. You can try the wheat to make sure it is soft enough. It is now ready to be cooked, and it will still cook with the meat. How long has this been sitting? About 1 hour. However, if you wet this overnight, you would have saved some time. You would have won this at 1 hour. This is the chicken broth. Take a look at how much liquid there is in the pot. All of this will be cooked and will slowly thicken. How long will this cook? It depends, 30 minutes or longer or less. We'll check on it until the wheat takes shape. It first needs to come to a boil. After boiling, we need to frequently mix it a lot so that the bottom doesn't burn. The wheat settles to the bottom of the pot, which is why it burns. We will use a wooden spoon to stir frequently. Now we can add some cumin, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. It's now cooked for about 60 minutes. I said 30 minutes, but it took longer since the wheat was raw. You have to check on it. You're not going to hit it like this. If you don't want butter in this, take your portion so you can add some butter to the rest, as it's a bit dry. Now I'm going to melt the butter. I'm going to add red pepper, specifically halabi pepper, which is a bit spicy, and some paprika. At the same time, I'm going to plate the food to eat. This is done at the last minute. See, it's ready. It just. You can use a spoon so you can portion your amount. There's red pepper, black pepper that is already in the butter, but we're going to add some cumin on top. Bon appetit. Thank you, Neni. Anushala. To those eating, hope you will get full and give praise to the Lord.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.